Assalamu alaikum friends. What's good fam? You know what time it is. Time to level up from the inside out. Today we're talking spiritual self-improvement. Yeah, that deep, soul-nourishing type of growth that hits different. If you've been feeling like life's moving too fast or your heart's just not in sync, this one's for you. Take a second, close your eyes. Breathe in. Now let it out slow. That's the vibe we're on today. Slowing down, tuning in, and finding peace in the chaos. Hey lovelies. Y'all ever feel like you're hustling 24/7 but your soul's running on empty? That's your sign right there. You're not alone. We all get caught in that same loop: work, stress, notifications, expectations. And somewhere in there we forget to check in with our own spirit. But guess what? You can hit pause. You can realign. You can grow, spiritually, emotionally, mentally. That's what we're doing today. No fluff, no preachy vibes, just real talk for real growth. Welcome back to the channel, friends. Your space for peace, purpose, and that deep down kind of joy. Today we're diving into a journey that ain't about religion labels or who's more spiritual. It's about becoming more you. The better, grounded, calm, joyful version of yourself. That version that sleeps better at night and smiles for real in the morning. We got 5 core things to talk about. Each one a key to unlocking your spiritual strength. So grab a notebook, light a candle, sit by a window, or chill with some tea. Whatever makes you feel calm. 'Cause today we're moving different. Let's dive into the first major vibe of this journey. Mindfulness and meditation. Alright fam, let's get it. We jumpin' right into the first major vibe. Mindfulness and meditation. So check it. When's the last time you sat in silence without your phone, without Netflix, without scrolling, just you and your thoughts? Figured. Same here. But that's where the magic happens. Mindfulness ain't some fancy thing only monks do on mountaintops. It's real simple. It's about being present. Like fully here right now, not stuck in the past or anxious about the future. Let's get mindful, y'all. Start with your breath. Inhale slow. Hold it. Now exhale real smooth. That's your anchor right there. Your breath is a straight-up blessing from Allah, and we sleepin' on it. See, the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, used to sit in silence, reflect, and connect with his Creator often. He didn't need distractions to find peace. He created peace within himself. That's what we trying to do here. Now, I know meditation can feel awkward at first. You're sitting there like, am I doing this right? Let me tell you, if you're breathing and being still, you already winning. You don't need to clear your mind completely. Just notice your thoughts. Them pass like cars on the street. Don't chase 'em. Don't judge 'em. Just observe. And yo, try this. Every morning before the chaos hits. Sit for just 5 minutes. No phone. No noise. Just you, your breath, and Allah in your heart. Say a small dhikr or just talk to Him like a friend. That's mindfulness. That's soul work. You can even do it on a walk. Notice the trees. Feel the wind. Watch the clouds. That's all creation, signs from Allah. He said in the Quran that He created everything with purpose. So slow down and take that in. Now let's say you got a stressful job, kids running wild, bills stacking up, I get it. But if you give yourself just a few mindful minutes every day, you'll respond better. You'll feel lighter, calmer, less reactive. And here's the bonus. When you practice mindfulness, your prayers hit different. Your focus gets stronger. Your heart softens. You stop rushing through sala and start feeling it. Mindfulness ain't about being perfect. It's about being present. So here's your challenge, friends. Try one mindful moment today. Whether it's a minute of silence or a deep breath before reacting, just pause. You're not wasting time. You're connecting with your soul. Alright fam, we warmed up now. Mindfulness is just the start. Next up, we dig even deeper into the heart with self-reflection and journaling. So grab your pens, friends, we bout to write our way to growth. Alright friends, now that we've calmed the mind, let's move to the heart. It's time to get real with yourself. No filters. No pretending. Just you and your truth. Let's talk self-reflection. This world got us so busy performing, right? Performing for social media, for people's approval, for that perfect life image. But when was the last time you sat down and asked yourself, how am I really doing? Not just I'm fine, but like actually what's going on in here? That's where self-reflection comes in. It's your mirror, your safe space. And when you mix it with journaling, oh, it's therapy for the soul. You don't gotta be a writer to journal. Just grab a notebook, open your notes app, or even use voice notes. Start with one question. What's on my heart today? Let it flow. Be raw. Be messy. Be honest. Journaling helps you catch patterns like, why do I keep feeling stuck? Why do I react like this? It's not about judging yourself. It's about understanding yourself. And that, my friends, is where change starts. You want to grow spiritually. You gotta be brave enough to look at your own shadow. That ego, that jealousy, that anxiety, that fear, it's not the enemy. It's a message. It's trying to tell you something. Write it down. Sit with it. Feel it. Even the prophet, Pbuh, used to reflect deeply. He spent time alone in the cave before revelation, just thinking, connecting, asking questions. That's powerful. That's spiritual self-work at the highest level. Here's a tip. Every night before bed, write down 3 things. 1. What did I do today that brought me closer to peace? 2. What challenged me or tested me? 3. What can I learn from that? And if you're feeling overwhelmed, write a letter to Allah. Pour your heart out. Cry if you need to. Nobody's judging you. He's listening. This ain't just about feeling better for the moment. This is about long-term healing. This is about peeling back the layers and finding the real you under all that noise. So if you've been feeling lost, anxious, or spiritually stuck, start journaling. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just has to be honest. Take a second to reflect right now. You've come a long way. You're still here. You're still trying. That's strength. Alright fam, we made it to the last stretch. And if you're still here, I already know your soul's hungry for growth. Let's wrap it all up and talk about what's next on this journey of spiritual self-improvement. So let's run it back real quick. We started off talking about the power of mindfulness, learning how to slow down, breathe, and actually exist in the moment. We talked about meditation not being some weird ritual, but a way to bring peace to your heart and connect deeper with your Creator. Then we got deep with self-reflection and journaling. Getting real with yourself, no filters. That's where the healing starts. That's where your growth begins. When you're honest on that page, you're building a bridge to your better self. Next up, we unlocked the magic of gratitude and positivity. Choosing to see the light, even when life tries to drown you in darkness. Gratitude flips the script. It shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already beautiful. Now friends, here's the thing. None of this works unless you work it. Spiritual self-improvement ain't just about feeling good while watching a video. It's about applying it, living it, even when it's hard. Especially when it's hard. So here's your little homework, and don't stress. This ain't school vibes, this is life vibes. 1. Take 5 minutes a day to be still. Breathe. Talk to Allah. Just be. 2. Write one journal entry this week. Doesn't matter if it's long or short. Just get your heart out. 3. Start a gratitude list. 3 things every morning or night. Keep it real. 4. Try to find one moment every day to spread some positivity, even if it's just a smile or a kind word. You don't need a fancy setup. You don't need a perfect life. You just need a willing heart. And remember, your journey ain't supposed to look like anybody else's. Your path is yours, and Allah knows what's in your heart. He sees the effort, the tears, the silent battles. And He rewards every step, no matter how small. This spiritual self-improvement thing. It's a lifestyle, vibe, mission. And you, my friend, you're built for it. So let's keep the good vibes going. Stay tuned, stay growing, and stay real. Drop in the comments how you're gonna start this journey, or what already hit home for you today. Let's build this soul tribe together. Until next time, take care of your heart, protect your peace, and remember, you ain't alone on this path. We growin' together. Much love always. Alright friends, let's flip the switch and light it up. We talkin' about gratitude and positivity now. Look, life gets heavy sometimes. We all been there. Stress, sadness, disappointments, it piles up. But the real power move. Shifting your mindset to focus on what's still good. Gratitude ain't just some cute little thing you say before dinner like, I'm thankful for my food. Nah, it's a whole lifestyle. It's rewiring your brain to stop zooming in on the problems and start zooming in on the blessings. You woke up today. That's a blessing. You got breath in your lungs, food to eat, even one friend who checks on you. That's already enough to say, Alhamdulillah. Start small. Every morning, name 3 things you're grateful for. Could be your morning coffee, your comfy bed, or the way the sunlight hits your window. It don't gotta be deep, it just gotta be real. And here's the wild part. When you focus on gratitude, your energy shifts. You stop complaining so much. You stop comparing your life to everybody else's highlight reel. You start living in the moment instead of chasing what's next. The Quran straight up says, if you are grateful, I will give you more. That's a promise from Allah. He's telling you, focus on the blessings and I'll multiply 'em. And yo, positivity don't mean faking a smile or pretending everything's perfect. It means choosing not to drown in negativity. It means feeling your emotions, but not letting them control your whole vibe. You feel me? Try this. Next time you catch yourself complaining, pause and flip it. Instead of "Ugh, I hate my job," say, "I'm grateful I have income right now." Instead of "I'm so tired of everything," say, "I'm thankful Allah brought me through this far." Sounds simple, but it's powerful. Gratitude turns your heart softer, brings peace. It's like spiritual armor against all the negativity life throws at you. And when you live in that energy, you radiate it. You start spreading love, kindness, and positive vibes without even trying. Hold the door open for someone. Compliment a stranger. Send a "thinking of you" text to your people. That's how we pass the light around. So here's your vibe check, friends. Start a gratitude journal. Just a few lines a day. Or say thank you to Allah out loud when something good happens. Even if it's tiny. Make it a habit. Make it part of who you are. Positivity ain't about ignoring pain. It's about rising above it. And gratitude, that's your stepping stone. Stay kind, stay real, and keep your heart connected to the purpose. Don't forget to like, share, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button to stay connected, friends. Much love and do as always.